Hello everyone. Today for my final presentation, I will be talking to you about why you should invest in Acorns. Acorns is a mobile application and software that allows users to invest, spend, and earn money at the push of a button. And our main purpose is to show people that anyone can grow their wealth and that investing is not just for financially superior people. So the problem that we see today is that people want to save money, yet they lack the financial knowledge to do so, and that they want frictionless services that are easy and consumer friendly. So our solution is a mobile application and software that will allow users to invest their spare change and save money at the same time. Our market validation, and from the surveys that we have conducted, we have seen that millennials, 33% of them have said that they would rather go to the dentist than listen to banks. 71% of millennials are open to switching banks within the 90 days, and 75% have opened up investment accounts. So this shows us that there is a large market for our product idea and services. Currently, since our company started, we have 3.7 million users, and we have had consumers, 2.2 million consumers open up investment accounts. And currently we manage $1 billion of everyday Americans' money. So our target market, as mentioned earlier, are millennials ages 18 to 34. And the reason why we are targeting this group is because these are what we call transformational consumers. So they're at the age where they want to take control of their life. They want to live a healthy and wealthy life, and upon graduating from college and institutions, the next step is to try to acquire revenue. And in what ways will they try to do this? Well, they're going to try to do this by saving and investing. But just because we're targeting millennials doesn't mean that our services and our products cannot be used by other people. In fact, because we are providing frictionless, easy, consumer-friendly service, older generations will be able to take advantage of this as well, because if it's easy and accessible, they're going to want to use it. The way that we help and the way that our product works is that once this application and software is downloaded, it's going to be linked with your debit card, credit card, PayPal wallet, Apple Wallet, etc. Every single time that you make a transaction, it's going to be rounded to the nearest dollar, and the difference will be moved into an Acorns investment account via the software or the application. From then, that money will be automatically invested into a diversified portfolio that is recommended for each user. And the way that we figure this out is that once a consumer signs up for our program, they will take a survey questionnaire, and they will be able to answer questions such as how much revenue they make, whether they're employed, unemployed, and then from there, we personalize their experience. So the way that we acquire revenue is that we charge a $1 flat rate per month for accounts under $5,000 for the investment services, and then we also offer a retirement fund, and this will cost $2 per month. And then from there, accounts that are more than $5,000, we take 0.25% of this. Our competitive advantages are that, again, we are an on-the-go app, so users will have accessibility in real time, 24/7. We offer diversified portfolios. We have automatic rebalancing. Users are able to earn money while they shop. We also have a dedicated support team and access to the Acorns Spend which is a debit card that saves, invests, and earns money for you. And our main thing that we have seen consumers give us feedback on, and one of our main insights is that because consumers don't have the knowledge of saving and investing, they don't really understand it that well. They really value the educational aspect of our service, because while they're going along and saving and going through our mobile application and app, they're also learning at the same time. And this is something that's really important for us because we are a mission-based organization. So why now? Why is this the perfect opportunity to invest in this company? And we have gotten many reviews from many different businesses. We're partnered with a lot of different companies, and one of the most important things is that investing is one of the most effective ways to build wealth. And with our company, you can start with your spare change. And the reason why we focus on this is because spare change is so little that consumers are not going to miss this. It's not a huge chunk of money that's being taken out from them, yet at the same time, they're going to be earning money. We are trying to change the way that people think about investing, because the mindset is that you need to be rich, you need thousands of dollars to invest, but that's not the case anymore. We make everything simple and cheap, and that's why we are efficient and effective. And we've also changed people's minds on the difficulty of putting money aside, because through our app, it's in real time, it's every day, and it shows that investing is made for everyone. So in summary, the key takeaways about our company is that there is a high demand for this service. It's easy, it's fast, it's cheap, it's effective, and you will earn money in the long run. And at the same time, you're going to be more financially secure and more confident. We have proven through our 3.7 million current users that there is a market for this product. And we offer high differentiation from our competitors. We are different than any other company. We offer not only education, but we also offer our debit card, which automatically does this. And also these investments are done in real time. There's not really any risk because it's not like you're investing in the stock market where there's constantly ups and downs. It's safe and secure, and there's really no reason that you could go wrong with this. Thank you for your time, and I will now take any questions.